Hello everyone, and I hope you're still practicing your headstand. So for the 7 days headstand challenge on Facebook, if you're interested to join me, try to practice every day for the first 6 days. And then on the 7th day, you take a picture or a video and you upload on your Facebook, and then you tag Yoga Sadhana. Yeah, so I have been receiving videos from some of you who are trying to practice, and that's very inspiring. But I would like to show you one more time from the side view and how you practice your headstand without hurting your neck. Yeah, so we go down, we interlace the fingers, taking the knuckles all the way to touch the floor. Then we place the crown head down, taking the back of the head all the way to support the cup-shaped palm. We come onto the kneeling position, tuck the toes in. Now look at my shoulders. I lift my shoulders up so that I don't collapse. I lift my shoulders up, and then I straighten my knees. I walk in, look at my back, try not to drop the back, lift it up. And then from here I'm going to lift one leg, bend, bounce, swing. And I swing and lift up. Come to my Siddhasana, press the arm, lift the shoulders away from the wall, taking the thighs in. Stretch everything upwards. That is your headstand. Look at my head, my body and my legs. So this is how you should press the arms to lift up the back. And from there we gently come down with one leg at a time. Then come to your child pose to release. Alright, and I hope you have a safe practice for this headstand. And I'll see you on the 7th day on Facebook. Namaste everyone.